Welcome back to Bright Start Education Hub. I want to believe that we are all doing great today. And I want to say a big thank you to our subscribers and to those that have always been tuning to Bright Start Education Hub. I'm really, really grateful. May my good God bless you all. Right. So here it says, learn consonant sounds, a fun guide for early readers. This topic is actually for early readers. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to read properly after the blending. The shapes of the mouth while pronouncing your words is very, very important. So the first one we have is the stops, or we can call it the plosives. All right. The stops or the plosives. When we pronounce these sounds, the air stops completely, then pops out again. For example, the p. If you notice when you're pronouncing it, this air paused a little bit and then it popped out again. The same thing goes to b and then t, d, k, g. The next one is the liquids. They are those sounds that when we pronounce them, the air flows smoothly around the tongue. Example are you could see how smooth the air flow. Okay, so consonant or vowel sound has to do with the way you position your mouth. This is how you could blend it properly. That's why I said from the previous video, if you look at your teacher, the way his tongue or her tongues are moving, the way he's moving his mouth, then you try to blend yours the same way. Okay, the next one is the nasals. When saying the nasals, air goes through the nose during the pronunciation of these sounds. Examples are mm, mm, mm. You could see even from the way it's being practiced that air goes through your nose. Next is the affricates. These sounds are a mix of stop plus fricatives together. Examples are ch and j. Another one is the glides or semi-vowels. The mouth moves smoothly like a vowel beginning when these sounds are blended. Example are the r or e. You could see how smooth your mouths were moving when you are practicing this. Lastly is the fricatives. When pronouncing or making these sounds, air pushes through a narrow space and makes a s sound. Example of the fricatives are the f, the v, the z, s, th, and more. So from the next slide, we are going to explore a visual shape of the mouth. Those shapes helps you to pronounce or to position your mouth well whenever you are pronouncing your sounds. The first is the stoppers or the stop, or we could also call them the plosives. You could see the shape of the mouth while pronouncing p, b, d, t, k, g. These are the shape. These are the way you should shape your mouth so you will get your words or your sounds pronounced correctly. The other one is the liquids. So you could see the way the mouth is being shaped or positioned. Uh, uh. Next one is the nasals. Mm, mm, mm. Now look at the affricates. See the way the mouth is being positioned. Ch, j, We have the glides. Ooh, ooh, ee. Lastly, we have the fricatives. There are actually 9 fricatives of the consonant sound word. Let's go by blending them or sounding them out one after the other. We have the the z, s, th, th. The voiced th and the unvoiced th. The both of them fall under the fricatives. The next is the j, as in for pressure, j. And lastly, you could see air comes out from a narrow space while making these sounds. Okay, I hope you've grabbed something from this consonant sound world today. If yes, do me a favor by blending and practicing what you've learned. Remember, position your mouth this way and you are good to go. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful lessons like this. Bye.